This video shows how to reverse engineer SQL injection attacks and apply security concepts into legacy applications. By creating a set of 4+1 views, we can discover vulnerabilities in the software that can be exploited. The next step is to transform an insecure legacy system into a secure target system. Before we inject security features into our source code, we need to draw a use case view showing a success scenario that demonstrates secure system behavior among all actors. We can see that a user can fill in his or her information, and upon successful registration, he or she can see a successful confirmation page. When a hacker attempts to fill in with malicious injection code, the application should perform the same behavior as the normal execution does. In this case, the application should just insert the data into the database as a record. Now we create our secure process view. In an insecure process view, we spot the exact location of vulnerability. At that location, we need to utilize parameters.addWithValue method to pass users' input into the database insert statement parameters. This way, any script will be treated as a plain text. When a hacker attempts to inject a script, the script will just be inserted as a record in the database. One way to combat SQL injection attacks is to use a technique called treating users' input as plain text. In this view of student email db.cs, this file handles the insertion of data into the database. The insert statement does not take a direct value by unpacking the student object from user's input. Using SQL clause SQL command.parameters.addWithValue, the user's input is treated as a pure text to the insert statement's arguments, or the parameters. Now Mallory comes to inject the SQL command in the domain name field. The SQL command intends to delete all records in the student email table and insert the attacker's record. This is a view of the confirmation page after the button Submit Click execution. This is a view of the content of the student email table. A new account with the name and the email address is inserted into the table. Notice that the user input is treated as a plain text. In other words, all the input that the user entered is not capable to perform any code execution.